Okay, I can't believe I'm saying this word. Flip phones were so popular in the 90s and early 2000s. If you still have yours because you're not sure what to do with it, I'm going to tell you what to do. Get rid of it. Sorted Out President Tonia Tomlin is here to help you get rid of those old phones and a whole lot more. Good morning.
Good
So nice to have you.
Thank you for having me.
I've got an attic full of stuff. I need you to come to my house. Okay, but you say decluttering doesn't have to be overwhelming.
It doesn't have to be overwhelming because I feel like if you have a professional organizer or somebody with you and you have a list of places that you want to donate these items to, your life, your things can have a new life.
Organization is the key to everything. So let's first of all talk about, you've got pieces of furniture that it's like, I'm never going to use that again. Why am I keeping that? Lamps, I have like 10 of them, you know, I mean, or old TVs. What do you do with this stuff?
So what we do at Sorted Out is we will make a call to Habitat for Humanity. It's resupplyme.com, and they will schedule a pickup for you.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah, and so you don't have to do the heavy lifting, or you can call College Hunks Hauling Junk, who brought all this stuff in for us today, and they can do the heavy lifting for you. There's also porch pickup. If you're comfortable with that, you can do freecycle.com and people will pick it up, you know, from your porch for free.
Okay, let's talk about medications, because a lot of us have old medications, never used. What do you do with those?
You know, I always tell people you never want to flush them down the toilet just because you don't want to put that into our water system.
Right.
So I have a bin, you know, for clients. We take them to, you know, CVS, Walgreens. If you go to FDA.gov, they will have a place for you in your area by zip code, and you can get rid of these things. And I like to use this identity roller. So if you have, you know, medications and you want to just roll your name, it has your address on there, so this is safe, and they will dispose it for you. Or you can call your local city, fire department, police department, and they'll dispose of them for you as well.
Okay, let's talk about those phones for a minute.
Yes.
Because seriously, I have a stack of like, I don't know, 5 or 6 different phones, and you're told don't get rid of them because of what's inside of them, but they pile up.
Yes.
So literally pile up.
They do, and that's all about decluttering. You have these piles of things, and if you want to declutter, you can go to secondwaverecycling.com. They'll send you a free box or a package, and they go towards Wounded Warrior Project, and you can either they can give them to the soldiers.
That's great.
Or they can wipe everything off and they can recycle it with their recycle centers, which I love because you're giving back to the soldiers as well.
Okay, old files, mail, things like that?
Yes. So I like to have a secure on-site shredding company called Secure On-Site Shredding. So if you want somebody to come and shred all of your tax documents for the past, you know, 5 years or whatever your shred date is on those items, they'll come and bring a truck and literally shred it in front of you so you feel safe. But you can also, you know, use the identity roller and then you'll shred it yourself or take it to a local UPS store. That's fine too.
Okay, I think one of the problems that most of us face is that okay, these names are all great, you know, good intentions to get rid of all this stuff, but you know what? Somehow this just floats down on the list of things to do, and you end up still looking at that stack of cell phones or that old TV and thinking, what do I do? So what do you do if the items are maybe too large, you don't have a vehicle to haul this away, or you're in a time crunch?
So again, College Hunks Hauling Junk has been a great resource for me just because a lot of my clients are in a time crunch and we want to get rid of these things right away. They're moving, they're decluttering, maybe it was an estate, you know, type of situation. So they'll do the heavy lifting for you, or again, you can call Habitat for Humanity, they'll do the heavy lifting for you. But I will warn you, you know, you do need to give at least 2 to 3 weeks advance notice for those.
Okay, let's talk about Sorted Out, your company, and how you help people with junk.
Yes, absolutely. So obviously Sorted Out's been around for 16 years, and part of what we take pride in is we're going to come in being non-judgmental, looking at your items, and we'll make the call for the second wave recycling. We will take these items to the fire department, and we will take these things off your hands so you don't have to have that thing on your list of things to do.
Okay, you perform a good service, and you had kind of a genius business idea, in my opinion.
Thank you.
There's a lot of need for it, you know. I mean, you need.
It's a huge need.
A business needs to fill a need, and there's definitely a need for this. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, I appreciate you sharing the information with our viewers. Tonia can help you get rid of all your junk and get organized. Go to sortedout.com for more information.